KC02S battery health repair device. This is the KC02S front and back Type-C power supply connector is under the bottom. The mode switch key for data modification and data guidance. The iPhone 14 Pro Max battery health is 83%. Turn off the phone. Take out the battery and connect it on the KC02S according to the model. After battery connect well, the green light will light on. Weld the red cable with the boot flex cable according to your phone model. Switch the key to 测试功能 test function on the battery extension test cable, then connect it to the phone. Prepare the welded red boot cable. First we do data modification. Push the switch to data guidance on the device, enter single mode. Press left switch RS to modify the battery SOH, battery efficiency, with the switch key. Click OK to change the times with switch key. After setup, click OK to write the data. After writing successful, insert the red boot cable to the USB port, another end connect with the battery extension test cable. Turn on the phone, enter battery set page. When the important battery message pop up, turn off the phone. Push the switch to data modification on the device. Turn on the phone, enter battery set page. The battery health is the value you set up, means modification succeed. About the difference between KC02 and KC02S. KC02 can't modify the battery efficiency directly. It default 100% battery health. If you have VI6S KC01 BR13 device, then KC02 is the cheaper and better choice for you. The advantage of the KC02S is it can modify the data directly, even the phone is power on. Push the switch to data guidance on the device, enter single mode to modify and write the efficient end times, same as former method. After writing successful, repower on the phone, push the switch to data modification, the modification succeed. If your battery connected to the device, but the light doesn't turn on, please connect the charger to the device and press the activate key. RS will light on.